Hi, and welcome to CB Clicksale. Okay, let's get straight to it and log into the members area. You'll soon see how quick and easy it is to create campaigns that give you an awesome advantage over the competition. Hit login and we're in, and here is the main dashboard where you can access all of the tools in getting the job done. Clicking on any of the column titles allows you to sort the campaign summary grid in ascending-descending order. Clicking on the plus icon will expand the grid to show more details. Here you can see the details of bonus claims based on the receipt number, user IP and whether it was valid. Now clicking on the account settings is the one essential thing that all new members must set up correctly, and thankfully it only takes a few seconds. All you need to do is add your ClickBank nickname and API keys, and also your email should you want instant email notification for every affiliate sale. Detailed step-by-step instructions and support are of course provided. Now let's get back to the main dashboard and create a campaign. Simply click on Add New and enter the name of your campaign. By default, the newest campaign is shown at the top of the campaign summary list. In this case being the demo campaign, now simply select it and hit the Edit button. Within the campaign assignment page, this is where you set up your bonuses, autoresponder integration and where you copy the generated code to your sales promotion page. It's really easy to do. But before we do that, let's find a product to promote on ClickBank. On the ClickBank website, and assuming you already have an account, simply head over to the marketplace. Okay, so let's pick a category. I'm thinking home and garden. The how-to home improvements niche. Right then, I'll just go for the one that's on top of the list. My shed plans. Top affiliate makes $965 per day. Looks interesting and pays out 75% commission on every sale. Okay, so let's promote this. All I need to do is add my account nickname. For this demo, it's our newly set up demo account, CBC Sale. Hit create in order to generate the hop link. And copy and paste it to Notepad, as we're going to need this for our CB Clicksale campaign. All done, and before we add these details, let's have a quick look at the website and product that we are going to promote. Looking through, and there is a lot of detail. I see the price is $37 and no doubt there are various upsells on the back end. Now typically a lot of these types of sites offer a discount. Let's see if this one does. The trick is to exit the page and see what we get. And again, yes, indeed, here we can see a $10 discount. So let's create a campaign which offers a unique $10 discount plus a whole bunch of bonuses that makes it a no-brainer. I'm just going to grab some data which is all explained in the training area and have a look at the checkout page. What we need is a specialized form of the URL. Real easy, and now all done, let's head back. I'm going to enter the minimum required data, so let's add product name, Ryan Shed Plans, and the hop link, which we copied earlier. And next, we need to save step 1. Regarding the other fields, these provide extra features which is all explained in the tutorials. Now, let's add some bonuses which we are going to give away for free in return for the affiliate sale. I'm choosing the same category from ClickBank, being home and garden, the how-to home improvements niche. And now running the query. Great, here we have a bunch of stuff that we can add to the campaign. Clicking on the plus icon allows you to see more details such as a thumbnail, image cover and product description. Clicking on the excerpt link allows you to have a closer look. You'll either see an example sales letter or an extract from the ebook which will help you with customizing your own bonus descriptions. We strongly recommend that you view or download the excerpts informing unique descriptions for your sales page. Okay, so let's now begin adding our bonuses to our campaign. Simply select and click on Assign. In the background, you'll see the bonuses being added to the campaign assignment form. And moving on, let's add a whole lot more. Whilst I do that, I think it's worth outlining that it's no secret that the top earning affiliates all do exactly this. That is, to give out valuable, relevant bonuses in exchange for the affiliate sale. It's only up until now with CB Clicksale that this whole process has been made hugely simple, accessible, and at a speed that takes days of work down to minutes, allowing you to multiply and proliferate your campaigns on an industrial scale. In fact, our bonus catalogue is growing at a tremendous rate, with it planned to exceed over 1,000 products before we launch and for it to be expanded continually afterwards. Okay, all done now. Let's look at the additional settings before we are finished. Before I get to step 3, it's worth noting that you can expand the bonus grid and view more details. Here you can download the image files and excerpt document. In step 3, we have the ability to add some extra capabilities such as your email list CB checkout page, which in this case will be the $10 discount one for Ryan's Shed plans, as well as choosing the type of Buy Now button. First thing, let's add our autoresponder for email capture. Here you can see 3 different methods to do this. I'm going to choose post data integration and leave the explanation for the members tutorial. Simple click here adds my newsletter. Now it's worth noting that CB Clicksale can pretty much add any autoresponder from the big names to the self-hosted ones. The bonus script tab is useful if you want to redirect to your email sign-up page after validating a user's purchase receipt when claiming bonuses. The CB checkout page is what we need to set if we want to create a direct-to-sales checkout. In this case, it's to the $10 discount offer for Ryan's Shed plans. So let's copy and paste that link and save it to the campaign. Next, we can test it to make sure that it goes to the checkout page as desired. Great, that's all working, and you'll also notice that my affiliate ID CBC sale is shown at the bottom of the page. And last but not least, the Buy Now button tab allows you to pick different types of buttons which you can assign to your campaign or download to your PC. Simply select the one you want and either hit the Assign or Download button. Great, we have now reached the stage where we can actually implement our campaign through simple copy and paste in a final step. The first thing I want to show you is the ebooks which we have assigned. Select bonus description from the drop down and copy the embed script code. Now here is a bare bones HTML page with a simple title. This is how it looks in my browser. Now let's paste the embed code and see how it looks, and hitting the refresh button on the browser. As you can see, all of the bonuses are shown with image cover, title and descriptions, which of course can easily be amended to how you want to display it on your sales page. Right then, before we do anything else, let's talk about the different types of campaigns that you can set up. The first type is when a customer visits your website and then proceeds to the vendor's sales page and then onto the ClickBank checkout to make a purchase. After the purchase, the customer returns to your website in order to claim their bonuses. So with that in mind, here is a quick mock-up of an affiliate review site, which takes us to the vendor's website, whereby the visitor, now having the affiliate referral, proceeds to make a purchase. And now on the ClickBank checkout page, you will see at the bottom that my affiliate ID CBC sale is registered to receive the commission on the sale. So now let's add the bonus claim form. Select bonus claim from the drop down and copy the embed script code. I'm just going to paste it here following on from the previous example. And now saving the file and refreshing it on my browser. And here it is, the bonus claim form, which can of course be customized to your style sheet layout. Let's enter an incorrect ClickBank receipt number and see what happens. In real time, CB Clicksale talks to ClickBank and validates the receipt as an error, as you can see. Now, let's enter a correct receipt number. On the back end, a real-time check is made, and if it is a valid affiliate sale, the visitor is then redirected to the secured download page. As you can see, here are the bonuses and it's real easy to download. You can also set limits on the number of downloads, and also note that the download link is based on IP validation in order to prevent hot linking and unauthorized access. Now let's add email capture to the equation. Simply select bonus claim plus email capture from the drop down and copy the embed code as previously. And I'm gonna paste it here, following on from the previous example, save it and refresh the page on my browser. Great! Here you can see that in order to claim the bonus, the user has to provide name, email and the receipt number. If the receipt is valid, then the user then is also added to your email list. Alternatively, capturing email can be done after validating the receipt and redirecting the user to your opt-in page. In this case, copy your opt-in page URL as shown. Now back at our example, let's see what happens when we make a valid bonus claim. As you can see, after verifying the receipt, the user is then taken to your opt-in page whereby you will then need to provide the download link via email. That download link is the URL or hyperlink as shown when selecting bonus claim from the dropdown. The next thing I'm going to show is how you can bypass the vendor and go directly to the ClickBank checkout as shown. Which brings us neatly to the second type of campaign relating to direct sales checkout. In order to do that for our example web page, let's select Buy Now button from the drop-down, but this time copy the hyperlink location. It's worth noting that the embed script shown in the lower box will show the actual button, which we will come to later. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, save the file and refresh the page on my browser. And as you can see, here is the direct to sales checkout link for the $10 discount. Clicking on it will ensure that in the background your affiliate ID is picked up and that the user is transferred to the secure ClickBank payment page for the discount. And note, at the very bottom the affiliate ID is intact. Now let's add a Buy Now button. Simply copy the embed script. Right then, I'm going to paste it here just below the product image, save and refresh the web page. And there it is. Let's click on it and see what happens. Great, as before we're on the ClickBank secured checkout page for the discount and shown below is the affiliate ID. Finally, let's add a Buy Now button with email capture. This time I'm going to choose a different style of button. Okay, let's choose this red one. And now assigning it to the campaign. And now let's select Buy Now button with email from the drop down and copy the embed script. Okay, let's paste the code as before below the product image. Now saving it and refreshing the page on the browser. Great, here is our new red Buy Now button. Let's click it and see what happens. And here is the email capture form before proceeding to the ClickBank checkout page. It's worth noting that this page has all the necessary validation in order to proceed. For example, I'm gonna enter an incorrect email format and then a correct one afterwards. All done, let's now proceed to the ClickBank secure checkout. And here we are, and as always the affiliate ID is always intact, in this case being Clicksale. Great, that brings us to the end of the demo. As a quick recap, we covered how to create a campaign, such as adding bonuses as shown. This literally took a few seconds and with copy and paste, here are the covers and descriptions which you can amend. Next, we moved on to how to create the bonus claim form with or without email capture. And then how we could implement direct sales checkout. Last but not least, the game-changing means of implementing the Buy Now to direct sales with email capture. Thank you for taking the time to listen. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. With CB Clicksale, you can grow your digital empire with click, copy, paste and be that super affiliate. Earning a full-time income on autopilot. Sign up today and I'll see you on the other side.